Hello guys, today I am going to review my new, some old RC truck, a rock crawler. Here is it. Okay, this is fully charged, and I am going to show the advantages of this. Okay, now we can move to the tires. It is oversized tires for run over big rocks and some more shafts that we can use it in all weather. This is all weather fun. We can use this rain, mud, in sand, rocks, the dust particles, all resist this. In my collection of these tracks, this one is the best. I think my experience, this one is the best. My new RC truck, one big hammer master truck, 120 scale, 2120 scale. It is I am only ordered in Flipkart. It will come to today or tomorrow. Okay, let's review this. Here is the back. Upside down. Here is the on and off button. You can turn it on like this and off like this, and you can see in its inside there is the steering and some seats, exactly like a rally race car. You can see, and this is the suspension. You can see the suspension very nicely. You can see, and the rear suspension, it's fully downwards, and the tire is very puffy, so the tire don't get damaged, and your car was always safe with this suspension. And the body is fiber, and this will not break very easily. So you can buy this in Flipkart in 2,500 rupees or 2,000 rupees you can buy in Flipkart. Okay, you can see its shape. They designed it like a machine engine in the front, and you can see this is the remote control. Right, turn the wheel right, and left to go forward, down to go backwards, upward. And this button, you will on, the light will blow. Okay, here you can see when you this is like some connection, Bluetooth connection. When you these two are connected, the light will not glow. When it will connect, the light will turn off. Okay, I can show you. I am owning this. You can see the light turned off. Okay, now it's connected. You can see it's a 4x4 wheel. It's the front and the rear wheels will turn. Okay, I will turn this. Then I will. Okay, it's very nice. I will off it, and I will tell you the advantages. You can charge its battery. Okay, I will show you. You need a sharp screwdriver to take the battery out. Yeah, I will take it. Here is the battery. You can connect in this pin. One thing, you need to connect it. Don't put it with under 8 age children. You need to need a help of big gender or your father or mother to put this. You need to concentrate on this. When this inside two pins are there, if one broke, you will lose all control. Then you can repair it. Then lots of money, this buying money you want to get the shop to repair it. Okay, don't damage the connector. Okay, I will put it inside. Okay, in remote you need to put 3 AA batteries. Okay, I will show you. Don't lose the screw so tight, it will not come through here. Okay, then you take this open. Here you can see 3 AA batteries. I bought this ABC batteries from my routing this together. Okay, you will also get when you routing them together. Okay, you can see. Then I will put it back. Don't tie it very tightly, only some tight. Okay, let's put it here. I will show some experience in mud in outside my house. Okay, let's see. That I will show in the second part of this video. I will upload when this get me some 50 or 55 likes. And you don't like this video, don't like, write a few comments for me, and subscribe my channel. You don't like, don't subscribe. That's all your wish. Please like and subscribe. I can only tell that. Okay, Arshak signing out. Bye bye, see you.